This week I have problem 10, which states if sine x plus cosine x equals 0.9, what is the value of sine cubed x plus cosine cubed x? So the first thing of what you're going to do is you're going to take sine x plus cosine x and you're going to cube it, which means you're going to take 0.9 and cube that, and you get the value of 0.729. What you're going to do next is you're going to start to factor sine x plus cosine x to try and get it cubed. So first, we just took sine x plus cosine x times sine x plus cosine x, and you get sine squared x plus 2 sine x cosine x plus cosine squared x. And then you have a leftover sine x plus cosine x. Next, you're going to take the sine x and you're going to distribute it to each of these three, which you'll get sine cubed x plus 2 sine x squared cosine x plus cosine squared x sine x. And then you're going to distribute the cosine x to each of them, and you get plus sine squared x cosine x plus 2 sine x cosine squared x plus cosine cubed x. And then we're just going to combine like terms, pink with pink, blue with blue, and you get, I also moved the cosine cubed x over here because that's what we're trying to find. And then the rest is 3 sine squared x cosine x plus 3 sine x cosine squared x. So then we need to figure out what this is. So we hopped on over here, and I just rewrote it here. And then we're going to pull out a 3 from each side, as well as 1 sine x and 1 cosine x. And that leaves you with sine x plus cosine x, which we know equals 0.9. So then we're going to have to try and find what sine x cosine x equals, which we just took sine x plus cosine x over here and we squared it, which means we're squaring 0.9. And when you square this, you get sine squared x plus 2 sine x cosine x plus cosine squared x equals 0.81. And then by the Pythagorean theorem, we know that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is 1. And then you just have the 2 sine x cosine x left over. Next, we're going to subtract the 1 over, and you get 2 sine x cosine x equals negative 0.19. Divide the 2 over, and we find out that sine x cosine x equals negative 0.19 over 2. So we're going to take all of that information and come back to our original equation, which we found, and we're going to plug all the things that we found over here into here. So we have the 3, which is still back over here, and then sine x cosine x we found is negative 0.19 over 2, and then sine x plus cosine x, which we know is 0.9. And then also the cube that we found over here, we're going to set it equal to that. And then it's just simplifying. We multiply all of these together to get negative 0.2565, and then we're going to add that over to our 0.725, and we get sine cubed x plus cosine cubed x equals 0.9855, which will be your answer. Thank you.